island of Sodor. All of the engines were busy working. The station manager was really pleased.
You guys are doing a good job. Keep up the hard work.
The animals were busy too. They were busy trying to stay out of the way. "Watch out," said Thomas as he was passing through. Everyone was busy and happy on Sodor Island, but little did they know, things were about to change. General Grievous and his droid army had landed on the island of Sodor.
I will take over Sodor!
The droid army quickly swept in and captured the station manager.
Freeze! Roger, roger! Don't move!
"Oh no!" Thomas cried as he hid under the bridge. "What are we going to do?" General Grievous rounded up all the trains on Sodor Island. "Please don't hurt me," said Percy.
Take me to your leader!
"But we don't have a leader," said Percy. "The station manager and Sir Topham Hatt tell us what to do."
Then take me to Sir Topham Hatt!
"But I can't take you to Sir Topham Hatt. I have to transport these materials over to the yard." General Grievous was very cross.
Freeze him!
He commanded his droids to freeze Percy.
Yes, sir.
And the droids froze Percy. General Grievous and his droid army continued searching the island. They found Thomas hiding under the bridge.
Freeze!
"Oh no! Okay, don't hurt me, please." The droid army rounded up all of the engines on Sodor Island.
This is not good,
the station manager said. "But what are we going to do?" Thomas asked.
There is a clone army above us in space. You must blow your whistle as hard and as loud as you can, Thomas, and perhaps they will come and help.
"Gee, I don't know if I can blow that loud."
You must try, Thomas. Blow! Blow like you've never blown your whistle before.
So Thomas took a deep puff, and he blew as loud as he could.
Good job,
said the station manager.
Knock it off,
commanded the droid.
If you do that again, we will freeze you like Percy.
"Oh, please, no!" cried Thomas. "Please don't freeze me!" Thomas's whistle had worked. Up in space, a clone trooper battleship had heard Thomas's cry for help.
Sir, our spotters have indicated that General Grievous and his droid army have taken over the island of Sodor. We must do something fast. Sir, intelligence indicates they have already frozen one train and they're preparing to do the others. Prepare your clone troopers, Captain. We shall land on the island. Right away, sir.
The clone army soon landed on the island of Sodor and began their journey towards the station house to rescue the trains. Along the way, they found Percy, frozen solid.
"Remove the ice from Percy,"
said the clone commander.
"Yes, sir. Right away."
A specialized clone trooper known as a heat trooper used a powerful heat gun to thaw out Percy. Percy was soon back to normal. "Thank you," he said. "That was scary."
"You must help us now," said the clone commander. "You must take us to where General Grievous and his droid army are holding the rest of the trains."
"Right away," said Percy. "Let's go." General Grievous asked the station manager,
"Who knows this island the best?"
"Why, that would would be Thomas, the station manager said. He knows the island better than anyone. Why do you ask?
Good. Then he shall go get the rest of the island's trains and bring them back here.
So General Grievous ordered Thomas to go around Sodor Island, round up the rest of the train cars, and bring them back to the station. "Okay, I'll be back shortly," Thomas said.
I know you will,
said General Grievous. General Grievous told Thomas if he tried any funny business, he would freeze the station manager, just like he did Percy. Thomas was making his way around the island when he ran into Percy and the clone army.
Hold it right there,
said one of the clone troopers. "It's okay," said Percy. "It's Thomas. If anyone can help, it would be him."
You must help us, said the clone commander. We must defeat General Grievous and the droid army.
"Oh, certainly. But how can I help?" said Thomas.
There has to be a way we could sneak up on him and do a surprise attack and rescue your friends and save the island of Sodor.
"I have a great idea," Thomas said. "First, you must dump out all the scrap in those cars that Percy is carrying." So the clone troopers unloaded all of the scrap iron from the boxcars.
I think I know what your idea is,
said the clone commander.
And it's gonna be a good one.
"Then let's go," said Thomas, and they began chugging back to Knapford Station. Meanwhile, at Knapford Station, everyone was waiting.
Here comes Thomas,
said the station manager.
And it looks like he's rounded up all the other trains, too.
Round them up when they get here.
One of the battle droids looked through his binoculars.
It looks like 2 trains approaching,
he said.
Good, good. When they get here, we will take control of Sodor Island.
It appeared as though Thomas and Percy were coming to the station carrying freight cars. But when they arrived, General Grievous and his droid army were in for a big surprise. The freight cars were full of clone troopers. They jumped out and began firing at Grievous's droids. The clone troopers fought hard, and the trains helped too. Henry ran over some droids. He crushed them with a smile. Rheneas blew hot steam in the air. The hot steam exploded all of the droids' electronic circuits. General Grievous could see that his droids were losing. He jumped on the back of a zebra and began to ride away fast.
We have victory,
the clone commander said.
We have defeated General Grievous. He's on the run again. Thanks for your help, the station manager said. We could not have done this without you. You truly have saved the island of Sodor.
It wasn't just us, said the clone commander.
Your trains helped a great deal. Without Thomas's fantastic idea and the help of Rheneas and Henry, we could not have been victorious on our own. Good job, said the station manager. I will tell Sir Topham Hatt how proud I am of you when he returns.
Rheneas, Henry, and Thomas were very proud. "Thank you, Clone Commander, and thank you, Clone Army," they said.
"Thank you to you as well,"
said the Clone Commander.
"You are all a great help. Now we must continue hunting down General Grievous, or he will take other islands as well." "What are we gonna do with all these busted-up droids?"
said Henry. "I have an idea," said Percy. And with that, Percy pulled the scrap metal cars over to load in the droids. They would become scrap metal. "Good work, all of you," said Thomas. And the island of Sodor was peaceful again.
Black Wagon.